Hey Martin, here's a quick video for you, a little tutorial on how to use this timing software. So I've made up a start list here just of 10 racers, first name, last name. For the class, I decided to put in their distance and their gender. You could separate this out any way you want. You could make their class ski, bike, run, and then you could use the school. Anyway, you could figure out any way to organize it as far as gender, distance, and method. And then for start time, I started them once every minute. So Frida here is starting at time 0, all the way down to Janice would be starting at time 9. So bang, the race goes on. All you have to do is this: come over here, wait until Frida is going to finish. And let's say Frida finishes in 9 hours, 34 minutes, 22.987 seconds. And it fills in all of her information. Then let's see, we'll do 3. We'll make this 9. Okay, so there, as racers are finishing, I'm just recording their finish time, and it auto-populates in the rest of the information. Now I'd come over here to edited, non-edited results, and I would just grab all of my racers, copy them over here into the results. I'm going to go paste, but I want to make sure to only paste the values, so I don't paste the formulas. And now I can take this information and sort it based on their time, based on which class, and in this case we also are going to want to base on the column titled school, so that we get them into bike, run, and so on. So there we go. And we can put in our results. Janice Joplin was first in the 100K. Martin was first in the 100K males. Frida, and then Janelle for the 50K females. Fisher, Lucas, and then James for the 50K males. The one problem I haven't figured out yet is the overall place. This column only works if you have a full complement of racers. So I have this set up for 99 racers. Overall place won't work unless you have all 99 racers, because it's reading all these undefined values. So you might just want to ignore that, Or you could, when you're done, yeah, I don't know how to actually adjust that. So I'm still working on figuring that one out. But there you go. Should be pretty simple. Again, the only ones that you need to modify are the cells that are colored yellow on the start list, finish time and finish bib, and then copy your results, paste them in here, and sort them.